What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco. Now we are here at the Sherman Oaks Mall because I won a raffle for these Jordan 4 infrareds. We're going to go ahead over here to Shoe Palace and pick them up. If you like what you see, smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, you dig? If you're somebody out there who doesn't have these sneakers sitting around, I got the solution. Go ahead and join my membership. Link is always in the description box, you dig? What's good, you guys? I just want to let you guys know I got your back. Some of you guys might not be able to have some of these shoes like this that are sitting in your area. Jordan 6s might sell out in your area. Maybe even these mids have sold out, or these Green Bean 5s, or even these. So many things have been sitting in our area, in my area. If you need help with retail pickups, go ahead and join the membership. Link is in the description, and I'll put it on the screen also, you dig? Yeah, to elaborate more, so like at my area and my locations where I go to, a lot of retros and stuff are sitting, but I have a lot of people who watch the videos who tell me that's not the case in their area. If you're somebody out there who wants to pick up these shoes that I come across for the retail price, go ahead and join the membership. Link is in the description box. It's always the first link in the description. Might be worthwhile. Just go ahead and ask around. So back at Sherman Oaks once again, we got Foot Locker first, then we got Shoe Palace down the hill. And then we got Finish Line that's up there. Let's just go peek inside Foot Locker and see if there's anything here. I was here earlier. Yeah, I got the word, shout out to the homie. I got the word that they had some heat up in here and I came here and got them. Let me go ahead and show you guys what that is right now. Little birdie, shout out to the shall remain nameless. Came up on these mellows right here, bro. This colorway is not bad at all. I like the color combination. 1 to 10 scale, what do you guys think about these? Very happy to be able to scoop these up. The LaMelos, the lows, bro, these are kind of different. I don't know how they will do. Let me know what you guys think. Anybody out there who hooped in these, give me the feedback in the comment section below. As you see behind the counter, they got an MB.01 still chilling out right there. These slides, they got a lot of them still here. $24, $19.99, $19.99. A lot of Brooks and other things here too. Deodoras. Back to 110, 29. I did hear some of you guys came and scooped them up. Shout out to the people who watched the video and was able to come and take advantage of the deals they had here. They got some Asics on sale for 79 bucks, normally 110. Got some of these for 19. I might scoop this up before I leave, actually. I'm gonna go pick up my other shoe. I might be scooping this one up because that's only 19 bucks. Pretty dope though. Those are pretty nice. So here's that new Ultra Boost. This is kind of different right here. 190 DNA Web. Let me know if you guys own these and what you guys think about these in the comments below. Pretty different. So they do have these here, bro. Luckily enough for me, I was able to come and scoop them up, but these are fire. 1 to 10 scale, what do you guys think about these, man? The LaMelo lows. It's kind of dope they gave him a low shoe already. I don't even think Kyrie got a low silhouette his first signature sneaker. But what do you guys think about these in the comments below? Got some of these still for little kids, these size 11 to 3, and the red and white Dunk Highs. Pretty nice shoe. I like the color combination. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below, ladies? These are pretty clean. I like this colorway on these Ultra Boosts. 1 to 10 scale. What do you guys think? Definitely a summer vibe. Copper Pass. Now, they do got some stuff for grade school. Now, these Puma RXs is pretty dope, too. I like this colorway. Always like to show you guys other things, you know what I mean? Not just Nike and Adidas, obviously. But they do have some pretty dope Pumas for the kids. At least colorways or the aesthetics of them is pretty dope. What do you guys think about those in the comment section below? But, yeah, that's kind of it. We kind of saw everything else that's over here on this wall. So many colorways. Air Max Plus. Definitely a Charlotte Hornet vibe. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? 175 on the retail. These are definitely pretty clean though. Definitely clean. Another colorway of the Air Max Plus. They come in with a lot of flavor for the summertime for these things, huh? 175 on the retail for these two. I think these are pretty clean. Out of the two Air Max Pluses, which one do you guys like more? Right, good. Yeah, that's smart because people probably act crazy and you just want to get the... Good morning. Early bird gets the worm. Early bird gets the worm. So they had a couple things there. Mainly the Diodora stuff was probably the best steal. But let's go on over here to Shoe Palace where we got to go pick up these fours, grade school size, and then we're gonna get out of here. Now we're here in front of Shoe Palace. Let's go ahead and pick up what we came for and look around a little bit. So you walk in, and I got these on deck. This is what we came here for. 1 to 10 scale. What do you guys think about these? The grade schools even look on point. You know what I mean? Better in hand, definitely than what I pre-imagined. Definitely remember talking about these in sneaker news videos previously. Let me know what you guys think about these. So yeah, boom. Same thing, usual suspects, nothing that we haven't seen. This is the newest release to be sitting on the shelves with the rest of the people. But we do not see no brotherhoods. We do not see no brotherhoods. I do not see no heritages. So this location has sold out of that shoe. In grade school size, we got these 12s over here, 13s, 5s. We got the 7s here for grade school once again. Haven't seen these yet in adult sizes. Still haven't seen these in adult sizes yet, but not bad. I think I asked you guys before, but out of this Griffey and this Griffey, which one do you guys like more? Both of them are definitely fire. Both of them are classic colorways. Which one do you guys like more? You got some summertime merch here? Hold on. Go over here and pick up my stuff first. It's kind of wild to still see this sitting around. 109 is still kind of pricey, I guess. Maybe that's why people not liking them, but a very dope colorway. The Nice Kicks Ultra Boost, pretty dope. These boots right here is pretty crazy. We definitely seen these before. Got a lot of things going on here, but it's pretty dope. Basically black and white. What do you guys think about these in the comments below? So we got these. Now it's time to get out of here and go see what's next. Maybe go stop by Finish Line real quick before we get out of here. Before we get out of here, let's go ahead and end the video at Finish Line. Dab our head in here and see if there's anything in it. We definitely talked about these before, but I like the colorway. These are pretty clean. Air Max 90s, women's Air Max 90s. So as we're here, we got these 11 lows still posted up, chilling. Very dope shoe that is just being slept on and disrespected. The Chili 9s is here, as I spoke on. The green beans, they got those mids right there. Sliding over here though. So look at this LeBron Witness. That's why I like coming, man. I like coming out here. I mean, of course we all like coming, but I like coming to these stores and finding dope shoes. These, that might have been too appropriate. I apologize. These are clean right here though. These are pretty clean. Definitely a summer vibe. 1 to 10 scale. What do you guys think about these LeBron Witness 6s? Look at these Huaraches. I'm a fan. The Carolina blue, the gray, the suede on here. Colorway's dope. 130 on the retail. What do you guys think about these? We're gonna grab our stuff and get on out of here. If you guys like what you see in the video, smash the like button, share the video. And once again, if you guys want pickups, link is in the description box. The VIP 810 Energy is the link that you want to look for. And if you have any questions, go ahead and hit me in the DM. By the way, we also got a raffle going on currently. I got a raffle going on for those Jordan 3s. I put the picture up right now. The raffle ends on the 21st, 75 slots, $10 a slot. Now I'm about to get out of here. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Deuces. Able to scoop these bad boys up. That's what we got from Shoe Palace. One of these in the 7.5, or no, not 7.5, but size 7. Overall, I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on these Jordan 4s. Look at that, got some dirt on them at the bottom. What's going on with that? That's how they came right out the box. A lot of defects or what? Blue imperfections. Look at that. Oh man, that's not the best right there. Shoe overall is cool. Does this stuff wipe off? Nah, that's how they come. Look at that. Wow. This is gonna be a whole nother video. Look at this. So that's one shoe. Damn, man. Out the box is how it is. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have the same situation, you guys see all them lines right there? You know, I mean, lately, there has been a lot of factory flaws with these shoes. Cutting corners and all kinds of stuff, bro, but that's unfortunate. The shoe does look dope, But unfortunately, there's a few flaws, and I wish they had the Jordan hang tag besides this damn sticker. But it is what it is. Overall, the shoe itself, what do you guys think about the colorway, the quality of materials they used on it, you know, on the adult pair or your pair, you know, if you didn't have any of these type of imperfections and things that you can easily probably clean with certain things. But on this one, like that dirt you can get off, that air bubble looks cool. This toe box you're stuck with, that right there, not the best, bro. You gotta take pictures of this stuff and detail it, because these definitely are some flaws, some factory flaws. I mean, I just came from the store. I didn't make no stops or none of that. Crazy. So my right shoe is kind of damaged. My left shoe got a little dirt on them. Little extra glue right there too. Oh boy. Oh boy. A little bit there. Overall, what do you guys think about these?